Hello, I'm Ari Cortez, a senior at Mountain View High School, and today I want to talk to you about your opportunity to help Evergreen Public Schools put students first. Evergreen Public Schools is putting a replacement levy on the February 8, 2022 ballot to help preserve and maintain critical and necessary programs to assist, enrich, and provide educational opportunities for all students. Money from this replacement levy will help fund our fine arts programs, including instrumental music, choir, and theater. Chloe Chen is my classmate at Mountain View High School and says our music programs not only teach music, but also create social and emotional support networks that help students thrive.
I think just having a community of people who are just striving towards the same thing as you are, it's just so impactful. And to have a community of people who are constantly supporting you.
Levy dollars also help ensure that every student, regardless of income, has access to an instrument.
And if we didn't have money, from the district, there would just be a lot more expenses put on the families, and that's not good because we want everyone to be able to experience this amazing community.
And study after study show that students who participate in music and theater programs or extracurricular programs like sports and after-school clubs tend to perform better in school and help students express themselves.
It's such a welcoming community, and just having the knowledge that, hey, there's a space where I can go where everyone has a common interest, which is music. And it's a way to express emotions, and it's a way that I feel safe to kind of be who I am.
So, as you consider this replacement levy, which will not increase your local school tax rate, we ask you to consider our fine arts programs and how they will help put students first. For more information on the replacement levy and the important student programs it will fund, please visit our website, evergreenps.org, and please remember to vote February 8th.